Introducing this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SE conversion van. Offering a triple S mobility manual rear entry ramp system. This vehicle features a 3.6-liter V6 engine and around 95,000 miles. Simply open your rear hatch and then manually stow or deploy your ramp. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SE conversion van. Call AutoMobility Store today and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.